Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite cooking channel. Today what we're going to see is a non-veg chow mein. What I'm going to do is non-veg. I'm going to use a chicken for that. For chicken chow mein, what we need is a boneless chicken. Then we need some garlic chop, some chopped ginger, some tricolors of peppers, some cabbage julienne, some carrot juliennes, freshly cut spring onion, some green chilies, some boiled noodles, and then again we do have some seasonings here, which is salt and pepper. We do have an aromat powder, some soy sauce, some vinegar. We got some chili sauce, Szechuan sauce. We got some tomato ketchup. We'll see how we're going to cut the chicken. We're going to julienne the chicken this time, as we're using the noodles. You should slit the chicken in a thinner one. Make sure you not cut your hand. There, your chicken is ready. Let's start with chicken chow mein. For that, we need some wok, a little oil, garlic, julienne ginger. When the ginger garlic is cooked, make sure you add and cook your chicken in the wok only. And this will help you to give the flavor to your chow mein. While the chicken is cooking, we can add some vegetables to that. Juliennes of carrot, so juliennes of green pepper, yellow pepper, red pepper, some split green chilies, and saute for some time. Add your cabbage, add little seasoning, salt and pepper, just to get the chicken grab hold of salt and pepper. You can see your chicken is almost cooked. Then drop in some noodles. Mix it up with chicken and the vegetables. Again, you can go on adding the sauces to that. A little bit of soya, some Szechuan sauce, chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, a little bit of oyster sauce for a taste, some vinegar. And then you can add a little bit of water just to give a stickiness to the sauce. Just to finish it over